Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Well, today we're going to, actually this evening, we're going to put up some stakes for our pea trellis, kind of like we did all over here, and has made some new stakes out of pressure treated. And so we're going to go ahead and drop these guys in here. There we go. And this way these peas get probably about a good about 5 feet tall. So you gotta trellis these guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get these guys stuck in here. There we go. And kind of evenly spaced between the air two here. I don't like stepping up here always, but I might have just to get up in here. A little closer there. There we go. Doesn't have to be exact space, but kind of even them out there. Getting close to the plant. There we go. There we go. And one more in between here. There we go. Okay, now I'm just going to bang him a little bit more so it's a little more sturdier. Good. Sorry about the wind noise. There we go. Huh?
I almost turned an ankle on your stupid hole next to the house.
Yeah, be careful.
Walking along and I'm like, oh my God.
Bye. Very nice and secure. A little more there. There we go. That worked pretty good. Not going anywhere too far. Guess a little more here. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drill on some couple screws to hold this thing up. All right. I kind of estimate the height where this thing is at here, so it can kind of be held off the bottom too. We'll start right here, and actually I'm gonna put it on this side here because the peas are leaning that way. There we go. Sometimes it takes a while to get them going in here. I probably should pre-drill these holes. There we go. All right. Go pop one down here in the end. About the same height. There we go. So we can get the trellis hung up on it, and I can adjust the height if I need to. They go along here. All right, there we go. The first spot here. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel it. You gotta put these trellis back on a longer pole because good luck trying to get them apart if they're not wrapped onto something that can be easily unraveled. You'll never get them untangled again. Uh-oh. Put that back up there again. There we go. We're getting there. I think I need to put, I'm gonna get a longer piece of material next time, because what's happening is the bottom isn't going off the same as the top is, so I don't know what happened here. We're getting there. Alright, we almost got it. Wasn't easy, was it, huh? Yeah, we got a little extras on here, but we'll just stick that down the side like this here. Okay, so that's that. I'll go ahead and finish stringing these guys down here in the bottom, and they should be pretty good shape to go. And there's your trellis for the peas. The peas just start grabbing it, and we'll kind of encourage them to go along here, and those find it and up they'll run. And I'll pull up the grass a little later on there. That's some of the crabgrass wants to kind of sneak in, and we'll start pulling some of that out too as the plants get a little bigger. So that's putting a pea trellis up for climbing peas. A final look at it, just give you an idea how she looks, and I'll put a few more screws along the side here, and she'll be in mighty fine shape to let the peas grow up. We'll check back with that in a couple of weeks and show the peas growing up nice along the trellis, and probably blossoming by then. Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe.